What does TV mean to you?
Growing up, we used to fight over the remote, like always. We're still doing it.
Kind of like a drinking buddy. Nothing beats a cold beer in front of the TV after work.
When I was young, a 20-inch TV was something. These days, if it's not an 80-something-inch model, no one really notices.
I literally can't game without it. I swear once you try it, there's no going back.
She never hangs out with me anymore. The only time I can sit next to her is when there's a soccer match on.
Honestly, I'm not much of a TV guy, but I just bought it because it looks cool.
This is my favorite spot, in front of the TV. It's what connects me to the world.
Back in my day, the TV was the center of the home, where we would all gather.
I mean, it's still the same. You can tell what's going on at a house through their TV.
Well, we used to call it an idiot box.
We call it a smart TV.
I mean, it fits the style of my place.
Every weekend we binge watch.
Mad engaging.
TV is me time.
I really loved it.
Always has been.
Always will.
What's next?